For the project Tracking Invasive Alien Species Trias, we have published a number of checklist datasets to GBIF. For each of these checklists, we have used the same methodology for mapping the source data to Darwin Core. We think that others can also benefit from this methodology, so for this Ebbe-Nielsen challenge, we have created a ready-to-use checklist recipe that anyone can use to standardize their checklist data. The recipe contains an extensive wiki that describes how to fork and download the recipe and how to adapt it to your needs. It also contains information on how to map data to Darwin Core and publish the data to GBIF. Here I have the checklist recipe open on my computer. By double-clicking the checklist recipe R project file, I open it in RStudio. The core functionality of the recipe is an R Markdown script that transforms source data into Darwin Core output data. R Markdown not only allows you to run the code, but also to document each mapping step, making the whole process more understandable for you and others. For the R code in the script, we mainly make use of functions from the tidyverse package, which are easy to learn and make the code very readable. By adapting the script and running the code, you can create your own Darwin Core data. Since the script is not limited by any template, it is highly customizable to your needs and it can be adapted and used for occurrence data as well. Want to use the checklist recipe for your own data? Go to bit.ly/checklist recipe and click on Getting Started to get started. Happy cooking!